The last thing on this slide is this one, which is really weird. And this is for Microsoft's Surface or their other things. When you take the thing and it gets set in the corner, it doesn't actually listen to media screen anymore. It listens to MS viewport. So you do, I mean, it does listen to it, but it says everything approves, so this is the way you actually target it. So what is this viewport? Just like supports, viewport is also coming down. And you might have seen this, which is a very CSS-y thing, but it's been in a meta tag. It says meta viewport, content width equals device width, initial scale, maximum scale. So these are the values that we had. We had width, height, initial, maximum, and minimum scale, and user scalable. And that was in an HTML element, which is not appropriate for presentation at 2 minutes. So we are getting viewport. And in viewport, we can say min width, max width. We can basically do the same thing. So this old viewport that we have is coming into CSS. And the only browser that supports it right now is IE10. And you need to use it for when it's, anyone here have a Surface or an IE10 machine already? Like, you know how like sometimes you put something and it gets stuck in the corner? It's supposed to be up on the left-hand side. That's when you would use this. Okay. So let's show you how this works if we can get out of presentation mode. View. How many times have I exited presentation mode already? There we go. So this says that if it is, hold on, that way you can see the background color. If it is orientation portrait, make it Indian red, and if it's maximum width, if it's smaller than 480 or 480 or smaller, make it yellow. So right now it's landscape because it's wider than it is tall, but at some point it's going to get taller than it is wide, and now it's red. And at some point it's going to get below 480 and it's going to be yellow. So that's a simple example of media in action. If this is something you want to play with a lot, you might want to go to mediaqueries.com, and these are different layouts that people have done based on the media queries of their, for different sizes. And it's, oh God, I hate when my slide deck does that, but it's my slide deck, so I should probably prevent it from doing it somehow. So that's that, and it's at mediaquery.es. Like it's not .com. And I thought I had a link in there, but the link's in the code, so that's all good too.